Imagine being able to change your physique in only 60 seconds every day. Doesn't it sound unbelievable? But wait, imagine changing your body without having to follow specific exercise routines or spend hours at the gym. You may be one step closer to being a healthier, stronger version of yourself in only 1 minute. Interested? Let's explore the amazing benefits of the 1-minute plank. 1. Full body engagement. Let's start with the plank's most alluring feature: full body involvement. A plank involves the simultaneous activation of many muscle groups. You're working out not only your abs, but also your shoulders, back, arms, and legs as well. Imagine yourself in the plank position, with your arms completely extended, your back straight, and your core taut. It's a particularly effective workout since you're using muscles all throughout your body with each second you keep the posture. Because of its efficiency, you can get the most out of your workouts in a far less amount of time. For those with hectic schedules, this is revolutionary. You may work out your whole body in only 1 minute rather than an hour on several equipment. 2. Stability and core strength. Let's now discuss the significance of stability and core strength. Imagine attempting to play your favorite sport or move a big object without a strong core. Almost impossible, isn't it? You may develop the deep abdominal muscles such as the rectus abdominis and obliques by regularly executing the 1-minute plank. Your posture, balance, and general body control all improve as a result. Your athletic performance may soar when your core is strong, and you're less prone to suffer from lower back problems. A strong core will help you at every stage of your daily activity, whether you're running, leaping, or simply getting about. 3. Improved positioning. With so many of us addicted to screens these days, bad posture has become a common problem. However, here is where the plank is useful. Your posture may be greatly improved by adding even 1 minute of planking to your regular regimen. You can prevent the slouching that results from prolonged sitting by strengthening the muscles that maintain the alignment of your spine. Picture yourself confidently seated at your workstation with your head raised high and shoulders back. You'll feel better physically, but you'll also change the way you carry yourself, which will affect how other people see you. 4. Improved metabolism. Let's move on to a subject we often think about: metabolism. The 1-minute plank is special because it raises your metabolic rate by using many muscle groups. Your body gets more adept at burning calories, even while you're not moving, as your metabolism increases. You may sometimes indulge in more goodies without worrying about gaining weight because to this increase in metabolism, it helps you lose weight and build a leaner body so you can continue to work toward your fitness objectives and yet enjoy the foods you love. 5. Better flexibility. Although the main purpose of the plank is to increase strength, it also helps with flexibility. Maintaining the plank posture can help you lengthen and stretch your hamstrings, shoulders, and foot arches, among other muscle groups. This may eventually result in increased range of motion and better flexibility. Imagine how freeing it would be to move freely while participating in sports or just going about your everyday business. Muscle stiffness is decreased and injuries may even be avoided with greater flexibility. 6. Core meaning and beauty. The 1-minute plank is a game changer if you want to have a toned stomach. Over time, the exercise helps to tone and firm your abdomen by activating and strengthening your core muscles. You'll start to see a more defined midsection as you strengthen your core and lose body fat. Imagine how confident you'll feel when you wear your favorite clothing since you know you worked hard to get there. 7. Mental strength. Let's finally discuss something that is often disregarded: planking's mental health advantages. Exercise helps you develop mental toughness in addition to changing your physical appearance. Focus and perseverance are necessary to maintain perfect technique and complete the 1-minute plank. Every time you master that minute, you develop self-control and mental toughness, traits that may help you in other aspects of your life. Consider the ways in which this mental toughness might assist you in overcoming obstacles in your personal or professional life. Your resolve on the mat carries over into the outside world. That's it. The 1-minute plank is an effective way to change both your body and mind. It's not simply a basic workout. Just 1 minute a day may make a big difference. Whether your goal is to increase your strength, posture, metabolism, flexibility, appearance, or mental toughness, why not get started right now? Tomorrow, your body will appreciate it. You may learn more about the effects of skipping rest days on your body by clicking here. For more incredible material, remember to like and subscribe to the video. Together, let's embrace the potential of easy, efficient exercises to improve our lives.